What's going on, guys? This is Austin from City Bros Coast. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. We are in Vlogmas day number, I believe it's 9. Guys, you already know what day it is. It's Taco Tuesday! Guys, it was just announced early this morning that Kings Island is like part owner of this new campground coming less than a mile away from Kings Island called Camp Cedar, I believe. It's right behind the McDonald's and Wendy's back there. And yeah, they're gonna have all kinds of like campsites. They're gonna have like built-in cabins and stuff, like restaurants, 2 pools. So yeah, super pumped about that. Got a new like bringing back the campground in a way to not from its original location where Great Wolf Lodge is now, but back to another location. So bringing back the campground. It's cool to be the area be developed, and yeah, it's cool for Kings Island, and it's cool that's owned by Cedar Fair. So that's pretty neat. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Maybe I'll just pop up some images or propose things. But yeah, that was announced earlier today. So yeah, check that out, guys. The game behind me was Creighton, number 8, versus Kansas, number 5. Kansas is currently up 25-22. College basketball is back. It's been back, but it's played a lot. It's being played earlier than it wouldn't be normally, I guess. So I'm excited. Exciting. Eating dinner tonight at the old spaghetti factory. Only my 2nd time being here, but yeah. See how it is. Show you guys my food maybe. Pistachio, cherry, and chocolate ice cream. Borrowed a homemade popcorn maker. Let's see how this turns out. Fountain hot air popper. Presto. Orville bread and baked cheese. However you say that. Ooh, hot. Oh, I hear it. Oh, it's so satisfying. The most satisfying popcorn maker. Oh, it just blew out of the top. It's so cool. Fills the whole thing up. Wow, it actually makes a lot of popcorn. You can only smell it through the camera. It's pretty good. Gotta watch some Elf. You have to watch this at least once every Christmas. 4th and 1, big 4th down. I think the Cowboys got it. They're just gonna sneak it anyway. It's 17-10. Cowboys trailing the Ravens by 7. They got a first down. I'll keep you guys updated on the score, who wins. Got a blockbuster college basketball game, Duke and Illinois. Illinois is ahead by 8. Ahead of Duke. Duke's trailing Illinois. 7:28 to go in the first half. Keep you guys updated. Who wins? Kansas beat Creighton by 1 point, 73-72 earlier. Guys, this game is pretty much over unless the Cowboys can have a miraculous comeback. Currently down 17-34. Keep you guys updated if they come back and win, but Ravens, as far as you know, have won unless I update you guys. Guys, Illinois is currently up 65-53, but I'll keep you guys updated if Duke comes back. Keep you guys updated on the score too. It's doable comeback. Okay guys, I think Illinois is going to run away with this as Duke scores. But, I mean, they're only down by 12. They can come back. I'll let you guys know if they come back. Thanks for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, drop a like. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. Turn that notification bell on. And other than that, it's been Austin. I'm out. Peace.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right.